I just wanted to showcase something. You know, I'm proud of my guys. You know, we just did a 29 building apartment complex. I can't show you everything, but a lot of times when people call up the cable guy, that's what they're used to. You see that? The white, the yellow wire. That's what the cable guy means to them. You see our black wire? High and tight. You see that yellow crap that's just kind of there? You see wireless bridges? How do you get from building to building, point to point? Do we run aerial? Yeah, sometimes. Well, we take it to the next step with the aerial wireless bridges. See that? The PTZ camera that's been broken for years. See that old wireless bridge? People are just using regular cable. They're not using that black outside coated. Doesn't matter what color the jacket is. But this is why I'm proud of my guys. We have protected these families and this investment, the property owners, and we've given them a strong foundation. I'm actually here closing it out, and I just had to stop and really just see, like, okay, you're gonna get a cheap guy, he's gonna run wire, you're gonna be working for 2 years, maybe. You hire us, affordable pricing, excellent installation, and we give you the foundation, one and done. We don't have service agreements because, you know, that would be great, more revenue, but we're one and done. And this is just an example of what we do.